Have you ever wondered what it would be like to eat only meat? Welcome to the carnivore diet, a dietary approach that consists primarily of animal products and excludes most plant-based foods. Now, let's dive into a sample 14-day meal plan designed for this diet. Day 1 starts with a breakfast of scrambled eggs cooked in butter with bacon. For lunch, savor a grilled ribeye steak and then enjoy a dinner of baked salmon with lemon and butter. On the second day, breakfast is sausages cooked in lard, followed by lunch featuring chicken thighs roasted with herbs and olive oil. The day ends with a dinner of beef liver cooked in bacon fat. Day 3 offers an omelet with cheese and ham for breakfast, grilled lamb chops for lunch, and pork ribs seasoned with salt and pepper for dinner. Day 4 begins with a beef burger patty with cheese. Lunch is a roast duck with crispy skin, and dinner is grilled shrimp with garlic butter. Day 5 brings scrambled eggs with chorizo for breakfast, seared tuna steaks for lunch, and spicy baked chicken wings for dinner. Day 6 starts with bacon-wrapped sausages, followed by a lunch of slow-cooked beef brisket. Dinner is grilled mackerel with a squeeze of lemon. On the 7th day, enjoy steak and eggs cooked in bacon fat for breakfast, roast turkey drumsticks for lunch, and pork chops cooked in ghee for dinner. Day 8 serves smoked salmon with cream cheese for breakfast, a grilled ribeye steak for lunch, and braised rabbit with garlic and thyme for dinner. Day 9 offers pork belly slices for breakfast, a grilled chicken breast for lunch, and slow-cooked lamb shoulder with rosemary for dinner. Day 10 starts with a ham and cheese omelet, followed by a lunch of beef tenderloin cooked in butter. Dinner is bacon-wrapped scallops. Day 11 begins with duck eggs fried in duck fat. Lunch is pork loin chops grilled with spices, and dinner is salmon fillets baked with herbs and butter. Day 12 offers breakfast sausage patties to start the day, grilled quail seasoned with salt and pepper for lunch, and beef tongue simmered in broth for dinner. Day 13 serves fried eggs with bacon for breakfast, roast goose with crispy skin for lunch, and grilled sardines with olive oil and lemon for dinner. Finally, Day 14 brings lamb sausage links for breakfast, a perfectly cooked ribeye steak for lunch, and chicken drumsticks baked with herbs and butter for dinner. Throughout this carnivore diet journey, remember to stay hydrated and listen to your body's hunger signals. It's essential to source high-quality meats and always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Remember, the right diet is a balanced one that suits your lifestyle and health needs. Enjoy your culinary adventure.